Well, welcome back to the final fix for Duffy. If you watched the other video, you know that we found these main wires overheated, and then we discovered that whoever installed the cord or the kiln or both skinned the insulation back until they fit through this undersized cord grip. Then we said, well, we're going to do what a regular electrician would do and get a regular cord grip to the correct size. Then we're going to cut this cord back. So in the process, we've removed this cord, and you can see some of the burned ends there, and better close-up of the red and black were pretty burned up, and the red was thoroughly toast. So cut all that out, put the new cord grip in, put the new got the cord back to clean copper, put the new lugs in, tighten everything super tight, triple check, good connection, and we're ready to go. Now, word of caution, if you're not an electrician or you don't know electrical safety or don't know anything about electricity, we're not advocating that you do this. Get somebody who's qualified. But now you can see what a proper repair looks like. So, having said all that, we got a brief video of the actual fix, and then a few frames about running a test on it. And since then, Duffy is repaired and back online. So, I hope you enjoy the video. Well, we're back, and we've finished replacing our high voltage connections. We cut them all the way back to where this was carved out, and back to good copper. And now we made all our connections super tight. We've checked all our connections throughout the kiln, so we're gonna go put it on test. So stand by for that. Our kiln is firing, and we've got our clamp meter, affectionately called amp probe, although this one is Digisnap. So there. So let's take a look at what we're going to call L3. 43 amps. L2, 42.8. And L1, 42.7. So that all looks good. So far, so good. And like last time, 78, 78, 77. So we're going to let this run for a while up to 1,000 degrees. Get fully loaded. It's going to be loaded more than it ever would, because all three of these relays are continuously on, and we'll come back and check it when the kiln is more like 500 degrees. So see you in a minute. All right, we're back. I got 83, 85, and 88. So I'm pretty happy with those numbers. We were well over 140 on the one, or right at 140. Sorry, I bumped into you. And our amperages look good. This is 41.9. I'm not going to go through them all. I did them already. 41.6. So, looks like we did the proper repair. It's pretty easy. Everything's mechanically really tight. And so next thing to do is, I think we're going to stop the test. We're at 500 degrees. And these relays have been running and running and running constant, which is more than they would. So we'll button this up, and we'll bring you back real quick and close out the test. Okay, the finished product. Good old-fashioned nice electrical connector there. Got rid of the undersized thing. We do have a new plug on this recently, and so that's done. And that's it. It's buttoned up and ready to rock and roll and fire. So, I think that's it. I hope you find this useful.